porn star, no problem. But I'm not a porn star. Mr. Citizen, I need justice. I'm not gonna rest until me get it. With all means and demands, me need justice. Justice for Jamaica. Justice. I'm sit some in front of me, I go sit up on the bed out here, so Mr. I mean, want to know the question. Him not asking a question. My big father is not asking any question. I want to know the question. If I found a badge in a people place, uninvited, without a warrant, me don't know what I look for, and behave this type of way. So if only the have one gun we only take from somebody else's yard, only can't come plant it in that so to come find gun.
Oh my lord.
That is what all the while them do that same thing. Cause when them go up sting operation and find rifle and find money, them not video it. They have never video that before. When them go up sting operation and find money and guns and ammunition and the things them not video everything. Them not carrying everything. So me I wonder if them don't want to plant a gun in here and say them see him with gun. Actually been outside. What do I do? Me not understand. I was so shocked. Mr. Andrew Stevens, Mr. Look how much me and the policeman, me attack him, come wake up. Me just wake up and just see this and just frightened. Not knowing what I'm doing. Cause they never call me outside and explain to me, say, listen, ma'am, we want to search your premises. We need to search your premises. No one just barge in with one roll up police and roll up and down with gun and flashlight. And that is what they portray to analyze innocent people. They do it all the time to us in the garrison. And you always me a cry for me too need them. Me need justice. I need justice.
Yes.
Because me never ever put up myself naked before. Them took away my rights as a human being. Me turn a dog. Me turn a dog. You took away my human rights and put me in one dog mode. Why you gonna put me on naked for? When you do that now, what kind of accomplishment you try to take out type on TikTok? What you do? What are you doing? What you do? It's a fun game you play. Una big people, una get paid to serve and to protect. I'm afraid of the JCF force. Yeah? Because I never know say police can become criminals. Me never know that about police until now in my 31 years of life. And the first a policeman ever do me that. First.
Yes, people, you don't know me the facts, and I will come for talk facts. I want to talk trash, you see me? Yeah, man, we'll come for talk about the situation with ROSALEE and the police them bust her fire door and forward in her house. You see me? I think them say them did talk to her baby father or boyfriend, see? But the thing is that now, I don't understand. You see, Jamaican system, it very corrupt, and it's like, to me, the police them in Jamaica is like them above the system to me. And I like when you overseas and lawsuit does I run. You see me? Overseas police have to watch what them I do with them with the citizens of the country and every little thing, you see me? Cause ROSALEE say, Zine, she say she asleep and she just wake up and when she look police that with gun and when you asleep and you wake up and you see what I try to say? Sometimes when you get up and you're frightened, you get up and you say, how really I go on? You see me? Cause it seems to me woman sleep already in a bed, but she never have no clothes or whatsoever. And the man they move away, come in, panara and whatsoever, you see me? But it seemed to me, it look like them video, cause it all over the internet. People see the video, every little thing, somebody blur out and thing, but you don't know people get video and thing, but it's like the man them have video and she naked and so said so done the video and picture them on social media. You see me? And I say, what kind of thing this like? With Jamaican system, police just forward in, bust in your house, no warrant, nothing. Is what I try to say. I just not understand the situation. Like, what really go on in the country? You see me? I really want to know what really go on in the country. Like, Police them do anything. The police them box you, this, that. Them not have no body camera whatsoever. Cause if you look on this, Zine, look where the Ministry of Security I say.
Wear cameras. You must face the fact. The primary benefit of cameras is in public order. So when police officers apprehend vendors on the street, people...
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Yes, where cameras are valued, and we have heard very little of anything of that sort, where policemen had seen brutalizing citizens.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Yo, let's see what I'm going. See what I'm going. Fuck you, man, going with you now.
If you get in combat with a camera on your chest, first of all, you're going to die behind it. Because you're
Then if you come down now,
being shot at. And it has, the JDF has used them before in the helmets, and they prove quite invasion, which is dealing with the public in public order.
A few moments later.
And protect me.
Him there, cause my bag about it for me. So I make sure some lawyer get what them need to get. Because me there, and me simply explain my situation, and I be a bad man cause for me.
And you put a helmet, a camera on your chest, you start shooting at somebody. First they start shooting.
2,000 years later.
You're gonna die for cover. Police.
you remove your pussy hole and come down.
Kind of make it more entertaining. You see, make him just a cap. Zine, this body wearing cam thing, Zine, is like it not take serious when you come to the citizen of Jamaica. You understand? And the people them need to get treated better now. It's like the law is with the police side, so police just can do anything to citizens all when they on camera and nothing no come out of it. And I realize it look like only people in a Jamaica that will have money are in a some big zimmy system or whatever the law really go for. Cause I look at ghetto youth, police just come broke him up or shot him or whatsoever. Nothing no come out of it. You understand? Because when you check it, enough youth, man flight, police line at them house, boom, shot them up, and when you look, you see them they have gun, but yeah, you say shootout. So me I say shootout. Me not understand. You see me? I don't bust off the door or whatsoever, cause you shoot out the one, no couldn't just run in the house. So you understand? So the thing at Jamaica kinda rough, like police stop you. Just tell you come out of the car. Sometimes police not tell you why the reason why them stop you. Them just stop you so like the way how them feel, cause some of them Jamaican police, yeah, them work off of feelings, you know. You understand? Feelings, Jamaica, them not use law. You have good police out there, you have bad police. You see me, but you have some crazy one. Like the man them just deal with their way, start handcuff, yo, don't say nothing, tell you about your mother, tell you this, tell you that. You understand? No respect not there. You see me? But if I want high society people, them stop or whatsoever, them have to know what them a do. You see what I say? But you as a youth or somebody when a rural area or whatever. Cause I remember tell you, the ghetto people, them, you know, them get it worse than the people who live uptown, you know. You understand? It's rare you can hear a news say police just raid and bust in a house uptown. The only way, unless is a procedure where them get a warrant for busting a place or them end up find drugs or whatsoever. You see me? But in the garrison, you always hear police a shootout, and when you check it, come remember in all of them guns and all of them things that where them collect, you know. You see me? All of that where them collect. Zine? Them always have gun pan them. You see me? What if put for when mistake, for when them have them plans or whatsoever what them are gonna do. Say yes, alright, whatever. You see me? Because that them use. Remember, you know, the same illegal gun where them collect, I eat them put pan people for when them want try to correct them mistake or correct whatsoever go down them plans. You see me? So them do them thing, shoot up somebody or whatsoever, and then put a gun pan them. So them they have gun and shoot out or whatsoever. You see me? And enough for years and years that I go on in Jamaica. Nothing no come out of it. Zine, with ROSALEE thing, of course, the police them deal with her away still, because if I did foreign, this would be a different thing. You go in at the house, you not even say, yo, put on some clothes then. And you did a video, like police not even wear body cam. And you at the time, if you take out phone and a video the woman naked. See, that not right, man. That not right. You can't do that as an officer. And why? When you check this, you know how Jamaican things they already. You know in a garrison she live. So it's like maybe not even to all come out of this. We know the Jamaican system things stay already. You see me? We know how it stay already. Like police do anything and get away. Once you're not somebody celebrity or whatsoever, and you have big money and top lawyer and everything. But if you don't have none of that, dog them you suffer, man. You see me? Because police just deal with you like some prisoner road or something. You see me? Yeah, man. But the way them did ROSALEE, man, that not right, man. You see me? That not right. That not right. And I hope she do it the right way. Go by the law, get a lawyer and all of them little thing there. Cause for them take our picture and video and I post it on social media. You see me? That not right, man. You see me? You can't do that. You see it, and I shake with them deal with still. You see me? That not right. Some of them police, yeah, forget. It's like it's set a precedence where you see because police not too I get now jot up or it now cost the state with them police by breaking the law and breaking the constitution, right, and whatever the people or the citizens of the country. Them just do anything because the system are behind them back. You see me? Enough time people they road and get a ticket. And people are go traffic court for fight and battle the ticket. When you look police not turn up, you hear the judge tell you, say, yo, you have to go pay it. When you're there foreign and the judge call you for traffic ticket and thing. See, police have there and them have them video. Them have them video for sure if you're wrong or right. Jamaica, a police it work with whatever police the system does work with it. You see me? And look what them do ROSALEE. All of the little thing them is what me I try to say. That's not right, man. How if you video the woman and you post it? Like them thing now, man, them thing can't go some man. Them thing for cost the state. You can't just go in on people illegally, no warrant, and just video them and expose them privacy out there in the social media. That not right, man. That not right. That not right. You not even say, oh, or tell her baby father or so. If you say make she put on some clothes you want have a reason. You understand? Like police does why every time police have a reason with citizen, them have for barge in at the people them house. Why you can't reason with them at them door? Like Jamaica, you feel like say police could have just walk in and just barge in at people house foreign so. You talk to them at the door, you can't just go in, so you understand? You broke the people them rights. You see me? You can't do that, man. You go in upon the woman, cause me see a little incident happen upon me in the news already. This policeman go in upon one man. Well, basically them let them in. And the girl did naked and them tell her to go run at the back, go put on clothes. And then say she hear a couple shot. You see me? Yeah, so she hear a couple shot. When them look at her boyfriend them. Damn thing, any day, police, it be a mandatory thing where police have to wear them body camera. If them not wear it, them are gonna get charged, them are gonna pay the cons. Any day that forward, me I tell you Jamaica gonna be a better place. Me I tell you and footage of it dead. But because the system want protect them where you see me? Them just do what them have to do. You see it? And then after that now, you just hear say somebody just pass away, nobody don't know what happened. It's what me I try to say. So me I wonder what really are going. Like you can't just go in upon the woman and expose the woman privacy thing and them like a thing. That's not right, man. Jamaican police is like, I don't know them. Yo, it's weird how them did some people at Jamaica. Me I tell you, like me I tell you, police not deal with Jamaican citizens, right? Like them deal them like criminal more while. You see me? Yeah, like police will stop you. Them not tell them say yo go over this. So. Give me a license. Them not say nothing. Say good night. We have a little traffic. We have a stop. Me and stop you because of this way. If you rebut and ask them why you stop, them talk about your papers. Where did this? No man, and I saw the thing set, man. Police need to do the people them good. You have some good police out the same way who would do them thing and work out and go about your business. But you have some where someone is like the way them feel, them just deal with you anyway. You see me? Disrespectful and all of them little thing there. You see me? Start pull you out a vehicle and one bag of thing and excitement. It's like some proving thing. You see me? And worst thing, you know what the funniest thing? Jamaican police, when it come, you see when you take out your camera for video them, jeez, it come like say, yo, something in a them just, yo, get huge, man. Them start get angry when you start video them. Yeah, and that me I wonder, I say, yo, what really going on with them police at Jamaica? Like, the man them don't want video, them don't want to get exposed. And them look, I say, yo, you watch to protect yourself because at Jamaica, you know, you better take out that phone there and video, you know. Me I tell you, you know. Because if you don't have evidence and you go court, just know say yo, you just now get through. I mean I tell you, if ROSALEE thing no go the right way, me not be surprised. Cause I know the systems they are ready. First of all, we're not even there's no image or known of the police. We're dead. You see me? I think maybe ROSALEE them know the police or know them look and if she really get them name or whatever. Cause them not like police of Jamaica just stop you and start dealing and disrespect you. And you ask them name. Them say, yo, nothing. You know, get them name and badness and yo, me I tell you, and that is why Jamaica stay like this. Because the police them were supposed to serve and protect. Them nah do the people them right. So when something happen in the people them community, them don't trust the police them because the same police them will set up them life. You see me? Them prefer tell some vlogger or tell people where nobody don't know. So them people can expose the situation. You can't trust the police them because some of them are criminal themselves. You understand? Some of them are criminal themselves. So no man, the way them did ROSALEE man, that big disrespectful and it would look good if something really come out of this. Like this need to take serious now. And if you realize, yo, yeah man, police do a lot of things on with you. People just pass with so under them watch. You see me, and nothing now forward out tight. You see me? Yeah, police maybe go in a house set and thing, but it rare, you see me, you can't use a police take out the person yeah, and carry them to police station. You see me? Like them need body cam. You see it? Them need body cam now. Because and you know what the worst thing too? Sometimes you know you might know the police and you have to watch what you do, you know, because them seeing police that can come back to your yard for haunt you. You see me? But the body cam thing, all of them video, they might still maybe get rid of the video them. You see me? Yeah. But this thing need to be strict now. The body cam, like too much innocent people just go with and you don't know what happened. What you understand? Like anything can reach your foot too. You see me? Like yeah, we know say you have them guys out there where you know the 87 them will do a thing same here, but not everybody is like that. You see me? So and everybody started to get dash with or whatsoever and then we say yo, you know, police just do what them do and just get with all the time. You see me? That now gonna look good. You see me? That now look right. So we just there and then police do what them want, do what them want, do them want. And the system protect them. You understand? Because the system corrupt. That's why them protect them. The system not take law seriously. You see me? That's why when the police them do, me see police do some thing on video. I wanna see the video them. You see me? Me see police do thing on video, man, and yo, some brutal thing to people, and nothing no come out of it. Nothing. But when you check the background of the people, them are just some regular people. But remember me tell you, if I see some people uptown, some high color people or whatsoever, remember me tell you the police maybe lose them work. Maybe in a problem. You see me? But if it's a ghetto youth or a girl where, you know, it'll be a problem, man. Downtown, you don't know the way them deed people. Stall and broke down this and rare. You understand? That not look right. But them did ROSALEE thing, that not good. She said she want justice and one thing and you see me, she want to start out her thing. But the police thing in Jamaica, man, me I tell you. If you're there in Jamaica, you have to afraid of police. Me I tell you, no matter what you think, you have to afraid. No mean say when you see them and you start panic or whatsoever, you know. But yo, you have to be careful. Worse, if you're at a spot where nobody not there on, them can do you anything and get away. You see me? Yeah, sometimes when you're out the people and you interact with police, you have to just lay cool. You see me? If you just save yourself, you see it? And you have to know how to roll, cause if you roll with some one bag of man in a vehicle, that worse. Man must say you wind down window, and you know them M16 in the ear and thing. You know that already. So people, me I tell you, you know, never expect the police have video people in that manner or in that way there and expose it on social media like that. You see me regularly, I could have see like a normal person do that, but police were supposed to protect. For worse, you found in a house illegally. Cause we know that go already with Jamaican, but them just barge in, start tear up this, start tear up that. Them not no warrant, nothing. Them thing they not work at Jamaica. I tell you, them thing they not work at Jamaica, man. You see it, but the government need to sort out them thing, man. It need to get too serious now, too serious. And when the Indicom call out how much people life get taken by police, and you see me? I know some of them get charged and they're quiet, you know. You see me? Because them not really load out them thing there, you know. You see me? And also my police them run with too a foreign Because they come forward for them have to run away when them in a problem, you see me? So, yeah man, them need to sort out that. The system, the government need to sort out this police brutality thing. Them need to structure the law, take the law serious. Them not take the law serious. And police angry because them above the law. It make the citizens them angry because the disrespectful and how them deal the citizens to them. And that does create one bag of drama and one bag of thing, and then police pull gun pan you. One bag of something, maybe gun butt you or box you or something. You understand? Because you know deal with like real police cannot deal with you good. You have some good police out there, but them rare man. Them rare, I tell you. When I deal with owner, you understand? And me see all police deal with all police a road. Him just not have on him to away. The way them deal with each other for sure you. Police are deal with police like criminal. I mean I say yo, Jano. But you don't know, you know, Jamaica system, you know, and this police thing and brutality with citizen and no warrant and us barging. It's not gonna wait years this happen. Years this happen. You just right now it more like happening at the garrison. So you'd have to just take yourself out of the garrison right now, but not everybody can lift the garrison. You see me? So it always happen at the garrison because the system and the government don't really care about who in the garrison. You see me? I who live uptown apartment and big house and all of them little thing there. High color people we have pull. Government don't care about them and take them serious. The people in the garrison, them see them and vote for them and vote for them, but when it comes to protect them and serve them and show them gratitude, you know they there. You know they there. You see me? They must send down the whole JCF and the JDF down upon them. We brutalize them and do this and you know, get rid of them out and thing. You see me? But I just Jamaica that and it now will get better. A years now and nothing not change. You see me? You just have to just stay safe and try to stay far from certain things. You see me? Police stop your road. That's easy. Just give them the go ahead. Give them your papers, everything and license, everything. You see me? Yeah. If them forward your house, you know, if you live in the garrison and them forward your house, you know, they might want barge in and every little thing. But I don't know, when I have to start get some type of camera in the house or whatever. But I don't know the guys because you can end up just something wrong with you and then gun plan pound or whatever and then that's it, no come out it. So I don't know. You see me? Jano, it kinda rough, you know, say. As I sit and see in Jamaica and you know, the first thing anything happen to you, you have to call the police and just for know say yo Jano not even them. You can't even trust to protect you. You see me? Cause really you call police and is what I try to say, but people who don't know, you know, like, share and subscribe same speed, you know. You don't know media facts, you know. You know, we just talk about the situation with the ROSALEE and, you know, the police thing. But everybody at Jamaica supposed to go through it with police, you see me? Either some argument or whatsoever or something with police or them not did right. I just that, you see me? But big up on yourself, see me, and big up the people and respect for the support, same speed, you see me? Yeah man, you don't know media facts, man. I will come for talk facts from the media and certain situation. You see me? And just you can make a comment, people, and yeah, make a comment and tell me what you think about the situation with the police and you see me and what going on at the media right now. But you don't know. Big up everyone, respect for the support and thing, you see me? Yeah man, that is it.